Hey guys, what's up? I'm going to talk about the Unity Engine Runtime Fee. I'm actually a Unity developer myself. I'm working on a game called Filter. Everybody can go and wishlist it on Steam, please. It's going to be the best game ever. I'm a master of the game object, C#. I've been using Unity Engine for, I guess, 9 months or so now, and I actually really like it. Here's my opinions. Effective January 1st, 2024, games that meet the revenue and install criteria. This is an important word, and. In Yu-Gi-Oh! We call this problem-solving card text. You're going to get charged per install, a flat fee of 20 cents per new install if you're a Unity Personal and Plus user, and scaling based on the number of installs if you're a Unity Pro or Enterprise user. The fee will be incurred at 200,000 USD within the last 12 months of revenue, and 200,000 total installs. But if you're a Unity Pro user, that gets moved up to 1 million and 1 million total installs. Your game must meet both revenue and install thresholds for the fees to apply. Well, what do I think about this? Well, currently, before those rules even go to effect, this is in effect today and has been in effect for quite a while. A personal Unity license, you're capped at a total revenue of $100,000 in the last 12 months. If you pass this, you need to go and buy a Unity Pro license, which is $2,040 per seat, which means if you have multiple people working for you, each one of them needs a Unity Pro license. So these new rules are actually better for small independent creators that are making less than 200,000, because now that revenue cap previously of 100,000 has been moved up to 200,000 before you have to pay anything. Additionally, if you simply buy a Unity Pro license once you hit this 200,000 USD, which you were previously required to do if you hit 100,000, that revenue cap goes up to $1 million. So this lowest tier, we can kind of even forget about it, because if you were going to hit this cap, you just buy a Unity Pro license, and then that gets moved up to $1 million, and you don't have to worry about this flat 20 cents per install. Now for the big boys that are actually going to be affected by this, if you're making over $1 million USD and have over 1 million total installs, you're probably already in this Unity Enterprise tier, so we can kind of cross these two out. This is the only part that really matters. Of course, the scaling licensing, this scaling pricing tiers are a little bit different, because they're going, your first 100,000, you're going to pay $12,500 total for all of those installs, and then the next 400,000, you're going to be paying 6,000 per 100,000 installs. So 6 by 4, 24,000. These are new installs per month as well, so every month these would roll over. Like at the end of the month, you'd start paying these higher rates again until you accumulate more installs. For little boys, this is no big deal. I don't think that it's going to change anything. People saying that they're going to jump ship from Unity because they're going to have to start paying fees. Do whatever you want, go to Godot Engine. I like Unity, I think that it's got a great ecosystem. Even people that are using a Unity personal license and don't have to pay for Unity Pro or anything, they're very likely still paying to use the engine through the asset store. It's just very efficient to go and buy. For example, I'm using two packages here. One is called Magica Cloth 2, which is what manages the cloth physics for this cape. And then they both use a tune shader called RealTune. So once you make $200,000 on your game, just buy a pro license for $2,000, and then you can make $1 million without having to worry about anything. And then once your game has made $1 million, you might have to pay Unity some money for using their software to make something that made you $1 million. I think that that is kind of fair. Most of the developers that are upset about this, in my opinion, are overreacting. Of course, it's nicer to get things for free than having to pay for them, but I don't think that this is that outrageous of an ask. If they pull this down, let's say that they increase all of these runtime fees by double and move this down to 50,000 or something, there of course is potential for them to make these more and more egregious, but at this point I have no problem with these. So thanks for watching. Everybody wishlist my Unity game on Steam, please. Search Filter on Steam, playfilter.kr, or go to the description and click the link. So thanks for watching. Peace.